This is Benny.
Look, he's called Ficus Baby Ben.
I told you that.
To us.
He's priceless.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is I'm getting these little mesh things and I'm putting them over the drainage holes. And I'm just using the bonsai wire to
I'll cut the next.
create a little thing that holds it in place. And in reality, I don't really know what I'm doing, but that's okay. Who knows what they're doing anyway? Do you know what you're doing, Zoe?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm helping replot Benny. Replant, repot.
It's starting to rain,
Yeah.
and that's not very good.
You okay there, Benny?
He likes the rain. I don't think this video is going to go anywhere, Zoe.
I know. Oh, killed it. Should I cut it?
Mm-hmm. It's literally raining. Do you want to do it? It's literally fucking raining. I hate that. We will soldier on and do the next part, which is the exact same thing again. That's real satisfying. Do you want to try it?
They're like little train tracks.
Oh, they are. It's actually quite fucking satisfying, to be honest, though, this wire. This one, not so satisfying because it doesn't bend as easy. But this, like, I think it's 0.5 millimeters or something, is quite delicious. Oh, I've done a terrible job of that. This is the back, this is the front. So this, ta-da! Here he is. I think he smells.
I don't think it's him.
Can I help? Yeah, you can do it if you want. But you want to be careful with the roots.
I know.
Loosen it quite a lot. So now I believe I can get rid of these. And keep all of these nice healthy big boy roots. And now he fits in the pot quite nicely. Ta-da! Oh, should we go get some moss after this?
Oh, yes.
I think we should go collect some moss. So this is bonsai mix. Oh shit, I forgot a step. Fuck, I'm a mess. I'm so sorry. Go like that. And then I think I did it right. This is probably the funniest thing to watch in the world. I'm using my feet as a tool. We need to decide, so this is the front of the tree, right? Yeah. Do we want it to be on this side or this side?
That side.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think that side as well. Right, put them in. How does that look?
That looks good.
I do have a feeling that I have taken a bit too many of his roots. Two bonsai amateurs planting a bonsai. Where would I find moss? You can go inside, I'll go collect the moss.
No, I can
I want to come. I have collected some moss. As you can see, we've got a potted bonsai, but the next thing we want to do is make it kind of more like a scene in nature, and we want to put some pumice on the top. This moss isn't particularly green though, but
some of it is.
Could look quite cool. Should we go look for more moss? We come bearing more moss.
More moss.
Ta-da!
I feel like you can go like this.
Mia, no. Yes. Oh my god, you're so fucking smart. Oh, bitch. You're right, actually. I might put these on and just see.
Wait, I want to be here for that.
Okay. Well, yeah. Okay, let's do it now then. Oh my god, look how fucking cool it looks. Thank you for helping me.
No, it's a pleasure.
It would have taken me ages without you. Look at that! Okay, now we got to get some pictures of it.